In my kitchen, y'all. We're gonna do clean the kitchen. Oh, rinse and zills and grease and do we gotta clean the kitchen, you know. Let's clean the kitchen. What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh, grease. Oh, let's do this. Hey, Queens and Keys. Welcome back, Queens and Kings, and thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. And as you guys can tell from the title, I will be cleaning my apartment kitchen today, which I won't be doing too much talking in the video today, because of the simple fact I'm doing the same thing that any ordinary person would do to their kitchen, washing dishes and, using soap, using any type of bleach or whatever, the little razzle-dazzle that you do to get yourself together. But I do hope this content actually motivates you enough so you can get up and clean your kitchen, somebody's kitchen. I don't care. Just clean the kitchen. Just get up and clean, because you do not want to go to bed like that or come back home or wake up to a dirty kitchen. That's just nasty. You just can't get jiggy like that. But anyways, if you Queens and Kings enjoy this content so much, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and share with your family, friends, and loved one. And if you're just stopping by the castle, hello, my name is Valerie. I am the queen of this castle, and I hope you consider to be a part. And if you do, turn on your post notification bell. That's the one that said all. So therefore, you don't miss out on my very next content. So with that being said, Queens and Kings, I hope you guys enjoy. Continue to be blessed and royal.
Up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
The sink is clean. I love a clean sink. It's so clean. Wait, I see some water right there. I see some water.
Oh my God.
Like, I have to get that. I have to get every drop of it. That's when it be the best right there. Okay, take two. It is so pretty, so clean, so pretty, so clean. Okay, the floor has not been done yet. We haven't did that. We did all this here. So now I'm about to get ready to put all this stuff back over here. I wish I could just leave it like this. It's so pretty when it's just clean. But on to the next. Yeah. Let's see our mirror.
My God.
How you do it, Whoa, Jason? What you mean you don't know how to do it?
You know, well, yeah.
That's all you doing, like this.
Oh my God, bro. You like no mothers that just embarrass their child. Just them one mothers that's embarrass their child in public.
Girl, I don't embarrass you.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how
Y'all need to move because this make too much editing I have to do.
it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh. gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Epic fail. Now I gotta find spray. So I'm just gonna use this apple cider scent Mrs. Meyer's cleaner just to do the floor since I done ran out of the liquid for the Swiffer. Queens and kings, so here is my clean apartment kitchen. How I love it, how I love it. I did make some changes. Some of them you seen on camera, some of them you didn't see on camera. Here at the breakfast bar, I don't have nothing here. I just wanted it plain simple. I may just put something different once you guys see the full house tour when I finish do everything. But we have those little cute little beaded mats there. Oh my God, this is what I love about a kitchen, a clean sink. And then over here, what you guys didn't get to see me do, which I just added this tray, which y'all seen the tray here, but I'm just saying, I just put a little bit more. I put the little candle and stuff back there, just bring a little more of the brown and stuff. And I tried to camouflage this the best I could. You see, I done rigged it up back there. But you guys who are new here, we're gonna change that, you know, do something to fix it, whatever. But the old queens and kings know. So this is it. I put the microwave back over here because my husband asked me to put it over here, so which I didn't mind because it gave me like a different look in my kitchen. And I just put the napkins up here in that little candle there. So everything is still the same as in nothing else. But the towels here. My gorgeous rug that so many of you guys asked me about. And over here, I changed this area here. I took the stand off of it and I made a stand, basically. So I could sit a little bit lower because it was too high and I didn't like how I was looking before. Not as much simple, but probably once you see the tool again, I probably gonna change it again, knowing me. And then I put my little DIY little stocking here in the kitchen, which I totally love with my gorgeous bow that I made. One of you queens asked me about making a bow for you guys, showing you how I make my bows, which I will make that video pretty soon. But I got it in my little gorgeous stocking here that I got from Home Goods that match the placemats. So this is the completed kitchen. Everything is clean just how I like it, Sorry it's not focusing, but yeah. Oh, you guys did ask once again about this rug here. How I clean it, I really don't. I just remove it when I'm actually about to cook so I don't drop nothing on it. And once I'm cleaning the kitchen, I just pick it up and shake it, give a real good shake, and it just shake any dirt or anything that I'm caught up in the rug, probably so, and it just fluff itself all the way back out again. Okay, queens and kings, so that is it for me cleaning my apartment kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you are new to the house and consider to be a part, please hit your post notification bell that says all, so therefore you'll be notified each and every time that I upload. With that being said, queens and kings, I will talk to you all in the next video, and you guys continue to be royal.